Good morning, dear students. I am Farjana Shathi, lecturer in English, Motijhil Model School and College. I would like to welcome you to our fourth lecture on HEC English first paper online class. I am Farjana Shathi, lecturer in English, Motijhil Model School and College. I hope you all are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will take a class from English for Today book, Unit 12, Lesson 5. You can see the title here, Kuakata, Daughter of the Sea. Let's see the learning outcome of today's lesson. Here you can see the learning outcome of today's lesson. After we have studied the lesson, we will be able to read and understand the text, ask and answer questions, write the summary of the passage. Before starting the lesson, let's learn some important word meanings from the first passage. Our first word is locally. Locally means regionally. No means learn. Rare means uncommon. Scenic means lovely. Spot means venue. Located means situated. Tip means side. Length means tallness. Breadth means wide. Excellent means superb. Combination means arrangement. Picturesque means beautiful. Natural means real. Sandy means gritty. Beach means shore. Shimmering means smoldering. Expanse means areas or range. Evergreen means ever young trees. Sought means researched. Destination means target. I hope the meanings of these words are clear to you. Let's start our today's lesson. Kuakata, locally known as Sagar Kanya, daughter of the sea, is a rare scenic spot located on the southernmost tip of Bangladesh. Kuakata in Lotachapli Union under Kolapara Police Station of Patuakhali district is about 30 km in length and 6 km in breadth. It is 70 km from Patuakhali district headquarters and 320 km from Dhaka. An excellent combination of the picturesque natural beauty. sandy beaches, blue sky, and the shimmering expanse of water of the Bay of Bengal and the evergreen forest makes Kuakata a much sought after tourist destination. So, my dear students, the first passage is about the location of Kuakata. And it is also about how long is Kuakata, how far it is from Patuakhali district headquarters, and how far it is from Dhaka also. So dear learners, can you tell me where is Kuakata located? Yes, the answer is it is located in Lotachapli Union under Kolapara Police Station of Patuakhali district. It is 70 km from Patuakhali district headquarters and 320 km from Dhaka. I hope you understand the first passage. Dear learners, now look at the word meanings from the second passage. The first word is take. Take means receive. Origin means ancestry. Dug means excavated. Shore means coast. Early means ancient. Settler means immigrant. Collect means gather. Coast means bank. Expel means drive away. Following means according. Tradition means heritage. Homestead means farmstead. I hope the meanings of these words are clear to you. Let's start our second passage. The name Kuakata takes its origin from the story of a kua or well dug on the seashore by the early Rakhine settlers for collecting drinking water. The Rakhines had landed on Kuakata coast after being expelled from Arakan by the Mughals. Following the first well, it became a tradition to dig wells in the neighborhood or Rakhine homesteads for fresh water supply. So my dear learners, the second passage is about where does the name Kuakata come from? Can you tell me the answer? Yes, the name Kuakata comes from the story of a kua that the Rakhines dug for collecting drinking water. The Rakhines were expelled from Arakan by the Mughals. Following the first well, it became a tradition to dig well in the neighborhood of Rakhine for fresh water supply. I hope you understand the passage. Now look at the word meanings of the third passage. The first word is unique. Unique means exceptional. Spot means venue. Allow means grant. Visitor means inspector. Both means individually. Perhaps means possibly. Dear learners, let's read the third passage. Kuakata is one of the unique spots which allow a visitor to watch both the sunrise and the sunset from the beach. That perhaps makes Kuakata one of the world's most attractive beaches. The long and wide beach at Kuakata has a typical natural setting. This sandy beach slopes gently into the bay, and bathing there is as pleasant as is swimming or driving. So, the third passage is about the most unique features of Kuakata beach. So, dear learners, can you tell me what is the most unique feature of Kuakata beach after reading the third passage? Yes, the most unique feature of Kuakata beach is that it has the advantage of offering the full view of the rising and setting of the sun. It has another unique features also. It is one of the world's most attractive beaches. It has a typical natural setting. This sandy beach slopes gently into the bay, and bathing there is as pleasant as is swimming or driving. I hope the third passage is clear to you. Now, dear learners, let's look at the important word meanings from fourth passage. Here, the first word is sanctuary. Sanctuary means settler. Sanctuary means shelter. Migratory. Migratory means guest. Ply means run. Vibrant means dynamic. Indigenous means native. Devotee means follower. Now, dear learners, let's read the fourth passage of this lesson. Kuakata is truly a virgin beach and a sanctuary for migratory winter birds. Fishing boats plying in the Bay of Bengal with colorful sails, surfing waves, and the lines of coconut trees add to the vibrant colors Kuakata. The indigenous culture of the Rakhine community and 100-year-old Buddhist temples indicate the age-old tradition and cultural heritage of this area. So, dear learners, in the fourth passage, there are some important things we can learn. The first one is, how is Kuakata important for the winter birds? Yes, it is important because it is a sanctuary for migratory winter birds. The second point is, which things add to the vibrant color Kuakata? The fishing boats plying in the Bay of Bengal with colorful sails, surfing waves, and the lines of coconut trees add to the vibrant colors Kuakata. And the fourth point is, which things make this area distinctive? Yes, the indigenous culture of the Rakhine community and 100-year-old Buddhist temples make this area distinctive from other places. Dear learners, let's look at the word meanings from the fifth passage of this lesson. The first word is devotee. Devotee means follower. Festival. Festival means gala. Let's read the fifth passage. Kuakata is also a holy land for the Hindus and Buddhists. Each year, thousands of devotees come here to attend the festivals Rash Purnima and Maghi Purnima. On these 2 days, pilgrims take holy bath and enjoy going to the traditional fairs. So dear learners, the fifth passage is about some traditional events that take place in Kuakata. Can you tell me what are some traditional events that take place in Kuakata? Yes, the festivals of Rash Purnima and Maghi Purnima are some traditional events that take place in Kuakata. The last passage also indicates that Kuakata is a holy place not only for the Hindus but also for the Buddhists. Each year, thousands of devotees come here to attend Rash Purnima and Maghi Purnima here. And these 2 days they enjoy holy bath and traditional fairs here. So my dear students, I hope all these passages are clear to you. You understand the meaning of the passages, and from these passages you can also give the answers. My dear students, now in short I am going to tell you about the whole lesson. The lesson is about Kuakata. Kuakata, located in Patuakhali, is one of the most attractive tourist places in Bangladesh. This unique place is known as Sagorkonna. Earlier, the Rakhines started living there and digging oil in this area. Thus, this place was named Kuakata. The beauties of setting and rising sun make this place distinct in the world. This is also a holy land for Hindus and Buddhists. Now it's time to give you some homework. Your homework from this lesson is to write a summary of the following passages and answer the following questions. The first question from this lesson is, how do you differentiate Kuakata from other beaches? The second question is, what features make Kuakata a tourist attraction? The third question is, why is Kuakata a unique spot? The fourth question is, how did Kuakata come to be named? And your fifth question is, the long and wide beach at Kuakata has a typical natural setting. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? Give reasons. So dear learners, that's all for today. Stay home and stay safe from COVID-19. Follow the rules given by the government. In my next class, I will discuss on another lesson from Unit 12. Till then, best of luck.